Bro, why does Karens always have to complain? I swear I'm getting sick of it. Like, if you don't give the what they want, they are gonna be like, where is your manager? Show me now. In my mind, I'm like, just throw them of a bulleting at this point. Please get rid of them. I swear they are making me rage.